Reinforcement for antenna masts in rainy season, which is also a windy season. I used insulated copper wire to give better anchoring. The masts are all CPVC pipe. This mast is a thicker PVC pipe, not CPVC. That also I have anchored using additional anchoring with insulated copper wire, 2.5 square mm copper wire. This one is a telescopic pole, fiberglass pole. Fiberglass pole has also been anchored extra using 2.5 square mm insulated copper wire. This is in addition to the nylon wires which have been used, but the problem, as you can see, there is wear and tear for the nylon wire. Nylon wires are probably not UV protected and prone for wear and tear, especially in bright sunlight.